When life keeps breaking you again and again, do you stay quiet and accept it? Or do you find the courage to change it? Have you ever felt stuck with only two choices? Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, where ordinary people create extraordinary change. This is a small village, where life looks calm, but dreams are often very small. Here people believe nothing ever changes. Anya was born in this village. Her home was simple. Money was always less, and worries were always more. Every time Anya asked a question, she heard the same answer. Accept it, this is your life. One quiet night, Anya sat under the open sky. She looked at the stars and wondered if life was really meant to stay the same. Her grandmother sat beside her and said softly, "Life gives two choices. My child, accept the situation or try to change it." That night, something changed inside Anya. She understood the truth. Accepting is easy. Changing is hard. Anya chose the hard path. She studied wherever she could, even under streetlights, even in silence. People laughed at her dreams. They said, "Nothing will change." But Anya kept walking forward. She taught small children to earn money. She worked. She studied. She tried again. She did not give up. Then one day, the results came. Her hard work spoke for her. She had passed with strong marks. College felt impossible until one message changed everything. She had received a full scholarship. Her parents cried with happiness. For the first time, they believed life could change. College life was not easy. Anya felt afraid and alone. But she remembered her choice. Slowly, she grew stronger. One day, she got her first job. Her struggle had meaning now. Years later, Anya returned to her village, not to show success, but to give hope. She told the girls, "Life always gives two choices. Accept the situation or change it." Her life was the answer. The choice is always yours. Now that you've seen her journey, what would you choose? Accept the situation or change it? For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.